Hey friends, Aaron Dowd here. Just wanted to show you a quick video of how I tag MP3 files with a fancy little program called Keyboard Maestro. So this program right over here on the right side of the screen is a program that you can create automation sequences and do cool things, magical things on your Mac. And in this case, I created a sequence of things for my computer to do automatically without my input anytime I need to tag a chapter, an MP3 file of the new Overlap book, the audiobook version of that I've been editing for my friend Sean McCabe. So overlapbook.com, go grab a copy. If you're watching this before September, you can get a free copy of this audiobook that I'm working on right now. More on that later, more videos on that. Okay, so anyways, so I tag with a program called Tagr. This is, I think it's $15 in the Mac App Store. Makes it really easy to tag MP3 files, podcast files that you need to. And I just really like it. Worth paying for. So the way this works is I hit this little hotkey right here. I hit Option Command O, and this triggers the following actions. It's going to insert some text. It's going to hit the tab keystroke. It's going to insert more text and so on until it adds the cover art and then saves it finally at the end. And there's some little pauses in here. This is a fun little script for me to build, and this program is all drag and drop. So you go and you find all these different things. You tell it what to put in, that kind of stuff. I'm not going to go into huge detail in this video, but there's tons of other videos out there showing you how to use Keyboard Maestro and set up these little these automation snippets and all that kind of stuff. So go check out that if you want to learn more about this. So the way this works in action, let's get to the fun part. The way this works in action is that I grab one of these MP3 files that I haven't tagged yet, and I drag it onto the Tagr window. So all I have to do is add the number. In this case, this is chapter 14. The title, which is Overlap Chapter 14, Cure Perfectionism. And then I click on this artist thing right here, and I'm going to hit that shortcut that I mentioned earlier, Option Command O, and it's going to set off the sequence, and hopefully this works. Once every 100 times it doesn't work for some reason. I don't know why. Here's the magic. Boom. So that's it. That just saved me a bunch of time. Now it's got all the tags added. Cool. So the reason I set this up is because I really did not want to go through and type all these things out for 27 different chapters. And I use this for a lot of the podcasts that I edit on a weekly basis as well, like the Sean West podcast, Invisible Details, and whatever else. So I encourage you to look into setting things like this up. It'll save you a lot of time and let you get back to doing things that you like better, unless you just really enjoyed typing things on the keyboard. Anyways, thanks for watching. More videos to come later. Subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're not watching this on YouTube, you can find me on YouTube at The Podcast Dude, or I'm at thepodcastdude.com. If you have questions, there's probably comment section somewhere. You can send me an email. It's aaron@thepodcastdude.com. I may answer. I might not. I usually do. Have an excellent day. I'll talk to you next time. I'll see you next time. I'll be here next time.